Whoa there! Isn't that a bit too pessimistic? I am a giant panda, Fubao, classified as a vulnerable species. When it comes to rare things, I am just as rare as you. Hey, Lessie, do you think we will really become extinct? Well... Wow! You are so smart! Aha! So, in a nutshell, ESG is a solid foundation for companies to continue sustainable growth by fulfilling their environmental and social responsibilities. Will our distinction be delayed that much? Lessie, I'm a bit scared. Really? Can I trust them? Wow, the whole world is working hard.